Quit taking pictures. Wow, that's really special. I'm not gonna lie.
You're really special. Shut up.
I know, I'm just kind of awesome like that.
Hey, look, you're a cloud. Look, Keith, look, I'm a football player. you wanna be a football player?
I don't care about being a football.
Get your face in there. Like, stick your face in there. Oh, dang it. Hang on. No, like,
What am I supposed to be doing?
just like center it. There you go. Ah, Keith's a football player.
Oh, you messed it up. You messed it up.
Oh, whatever. It's fine. Hang on a second. I'm a Viking. Ooh. No. Don't break shit. No. Oh, dang, I already did that one. No. Yeah.
I'm not even in this picture. No, I don't want to be in this picture.
We are the innocent breed.
Oh, crap. There we go.
Let's see. Okay, forgot about this one. Oh, look, you're a cloud again.
What? I'm a cloud?
There's a cloud on top of your head.
Oh, wait. I'm going the other way. I'm not a cloud. No cloud following you.
When my eyebrows move, the thing moves. Dang it.
You just messed it up. You're terrible at this. You know that, right?
Shut up. Wait, dang it. Ah! Woo! Howdy, y'all. I made it clear for Keith. I wish I had Michael Jackson on here.
Michael Jackson.
Chamon. Ow!
Wow, this is what you used to do in Summerlin all the time, isn't it?
No, I didn't have this, actually.
Oh, you didn't?
Yeah, watch here. Let me try to make myself fat. Oh, look at that. Oh, fat.
Wait. What? I'm not going to say that.
What are you going to say?
Nothing. I'm not going to say.
Oh, look at that. You're fat. Oh.
I'm not fat at all. Oh, double chin going there.
Hey.
There's a double chin.
No, there's not a double chin. Oh.
Well, that's just weird.
Yeah.
That's.
You look really weird.
You what?
I was so mean.
Sure.
One time I was doing this on the internet with Stickam or whatever, and I was telling everybody that this is the program that God uses to make ugly people. I'm so mean.
Wow.
That
really
and fat people.
That and fat people?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. You can't see me.
I don't want to see your eyes anyways. Ooh. That's special. Oh.
No.
No.
You can't see me now. Oh, wait. Oh, wait.
I want my hand in the picture. Oh. Shows everything.
What does this do? Oh, it makes me slim. So if you're fat, you could use that one.
If you're fat, you can make it slimmer. Whoa.
Whoa, two-headed. Woo! Hello there. Wait. Hello there. Wait, am I kissing myself? Look at that. It's like water.
So when I'm not high on cocaine, I will sit in front of this computer till the cows come home and continue ranting and raving about artists that are actually living out their dream, because I never will.
Maybe we should end this. I think we're done.
No, we're not done yet. This is cool. This is still fun.
We're done.